Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. Today we don't carry another tori come again. Today who we want to talk about? We want to talk about Proud Mom and Umenwan talk show or Umenwan TV. Now wow my people, wetin they see, wetin Proud Mom they talk. Now what if this thing not na truth Proud Mom, me I never talk. So my amazing people, now note say this our channel is all about commenters. We dey go through comment, we'll carry the matter come here, you know. And before we go through comments, we'll tell now wetin the video dey all about, and we'll also play small of the audio give una. May una still hear wetin dey sup, wetin where we for dey read comment, why people drop some comments like this. Okay, my amazing people. Before we go start, please, my amazing people, if you know you never subscribe to this channel, please subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, una will receive my video. And my amazing people, subscription now free. Okay, now free to subscribe. Just one subscriber go do me a lot. Your one subscriber will help me. Where one come off for inside 100, my people. Now see say 100 not complete again. So now so it be. Now so it be, my people. So your one subscriber will help me. God bless you, my amazing people. Where we for the read comment today now for aproko godfather stroke okaybe. He can't carry the video. For the video, he capture the video say more confession. Proud Mom narrate how Frank Victor tried to blackmail Destiny Ebagua and Esther Edokpayi to pay him money. Hey my people, na yera. Una yera. Before we go to the comment section, I would like to play una small of the audio. Mona hear where why people they draw comment like that, as I said before. And secondly, I want to talk to Proud Mom before I play the small audio. If for say you and Frank dey, Proud Mom, if for say you and Frank still dey together, Proud Mom, you for carry this matter come out. When they say you want blackmail Destiny Ebagua and Esther, me Esther for pay more money, I be how the matter be. Why you as a woman, when you say na your boyfriend, why you not correct Frank before? Why you not tell her say stop, not do that? Because una don't get issue now, you can't carry the matter come out. Who you expect say go join you? Nobody go join you, because if for say issue not dey, you for not carry this matter come out. Because una can't get matter now, everything when two of una do for secret, you can't carry and they come and they talk. And na so Frank still dey. Frank still carry your own matter they talk. This one will be good example. Any friend when you won't get now, they will dey fear. They will dey fear say to tell you anything. Say if I tell this person any of my secret now, or I tell this person anything, if we get issue now, so you go carry my matter, go dey talk. Person dey keep quiet, even though you and person get issue. Everything wanna do for secret, let them be secret. Anything when he tell you, let him die there. You claim say you pursue Frank. Frank claim say na he say he no want you again. But una no dey let each other rest. Una dey on each other, they fight. They fight una self all the time. I beg, mona try, mona grow up, my people. Mona grow up, I beg. Mona try, mona grow up. So my people, I will play the little voice record audio for na mona hear waiting she dey talk about and why people they draw comments when we won't carry comments. Okay.
Everybody when insult from us, he insult Lolo, not in us, na he tell me. He insult insult Mommy Monica and I asked her for pay and that money. Mommy love, that woman not everything to Frank. I mean she get what she do. I mean
my people, may I pause the audio first? She say Mommy Monica. Now you can't know say na Mommy Monica. Now you can't know say Monica na Mommy Monica na. You see people. You see people. You say Mommy love. Now you can't know say Mommy love na Mommy love. No be mumu love again. Na Mommy love na. My people mona beware of friends and all these people when we dey support for social media. Okay, because before when you dey follow Frank, you no know say Monica na Mommy Monica. Now you can't know say Monica now don't be Mommy Monica. Before when you dey call Mommy love, Mumu love. Now because you don't get issue, you dey find where you want hide your head put. Now you can't know say wetin dem dey call am Mommy love now. E no be Mumu love again, na Mommy love. So my people, wetin una think about this matter? From Monica, from Monekia to Mommy Monica. Nothing what we know we see for social media. From Mumu love to Mommy love. Now you dey find who won't fight for you. They find group when you won't join. They don't be mommy. You see human beings. You see human beings. When they benefit from you, when they get wetin they get from you, they will they respect you. The moment they don't get wetin they get from you again, they will they disrespect you. Now wetin I see from this proud mom body so. Now Monica, what you they call Monekia before, it don't turn to Mommy Monica. Love, Mommy love, when you they call Mumu love before, it don't turn to Mumu Mommy love. Now wow, I feel not fear people. I feel not fear people, our black people. I feel not fear them. Oyibo people, I too like them. If they don't want you, they'll just tell you say I don't like you. Tomorrow they no fit come they say and so because then with another person don't get issue, they can't like you. So may I play the audio for Namona, hear more of the audio, my people.
But Frank was paid 200,000 naira. I was paid 100,000 naira to Saga Mommy Love by live video presenter. I not go call her name because that woman she's innocent. Yes. Yes. She was paid. She got send me a short Mommy Love and Monica. If you listen and accept that she did Mommy Saga all of them.
My people, you see, she say they pay Frank 200,000 and they pay her 100,000 to Saga, Mommy Love, and Monica. Say she no want call the presenter name. She no want call the presenter name when pay them money to Saga, Mommy Love, and Monica. Now they hear her. Tomorrow, if that presenter hurt this woman, she go come out, she go come Saga the person. Una dey careful. If una dey drop person near body, una dey very, very, very careful. Una dey very careful. So we'll continue with the audio.
Felicia, I don't know your town. I go make you go far. But the spirit, when the spirit take a leave me away, no, I don't want to cause trouble for social media. Yeah, in fact, I want social media they make cash fire. They'll forget my matter. I don't go pray. May they forget my matter because I did like, may my matter, may they last like 3 months before another topic come because the followers when I get, you never grow rich. I know they like, may they quick end my matter. You don't understand? I know they like, may they quick the end for my matter. If you
My people, now don't hear her. Mo go. She say she dey like make dem dey call her name for Saga. So mo go mo go commenters. Mo see wetin our commenters talk for this matter when dey grand. Now wow, things dey happen o. Now walk for wire road. Nothing when Musa no go see for gate. For inside this social media, we dey see many things. Okay, so our first commenter can say disgrace and shame will locate any evil planner. Amen. And our next commenter can say, seek confession. This is how all my enemy will confess one by one in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Yes, so somebody can reply the comment, say this your player is on point, but the problem here is you do not know who to trust in this life again apart from God. 100% nobody to trust. Nobody, because I wish it should not matter, not come out between wetin dem dey call her Umenwan and this lady. She for not wetin how I want to call her. She for not come out come dey talk wetin she know. Because matter come out when they pay her, she not collect money, she not do the Saga. Why she not keep quiet? When they pay her 100,000 to Saga, Mommy Love and Monica, she not collect the money. Why she not keep quiet? Umenwan, when she claim say Umenwan, they pay Umenwan to Saga people. Umenwan, when they pay, Umenwan don't want they come and say now so one person pay her money may take Saga people. Umenwan don't ever come out like that. Una see people, una see human being. So we all need to be careful, especially this abroad when we dey. Now sister for the betray sister, brother they betray brother. Who you think say now your loved ones, they go betray you. So we all have to be careful. All of them they pray for your downfall. As you want a fall, make them rise, make them take your position. Now in the day, so my people, more they careful. More dey careful. More take our next commenter. Our next commenter say, until some of you will experience hot fire, you will not stop all this pain to be humiliated. God of mercy, I pray never to be involved with these people failure, because I will show them no mercy, even if they have forgotten what they say 10 years is not forever. My people, it's high time we stop all this fame, bully, and public disgrace. My kindness advice, we are all one family. To hurt one another is not a better idea. And our next commenter can say, my sister, remember you once loved him before. Bygone is bygone. Let go of him, free him. So you just hate him with passion. It's not okay. Just think twice. But you were once in love. You are once in love with him. Why let go of him, please? I don't understand, my people. I will paste the comment for Nadia Mona. Okay. So our second person says, staging proud mom. You can lie for Africa. Even your old children, you still staging for their body. Mumu mom. Mumu proud mom. My people, the matter tire me, because why this person write saying na staging proud mom now? Because proud mom she dey go Bongo, she dey go Africa for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. He leave 10 euro for his children, but she say she gets everything for us. She say she gets everything for us. Like yeah, now where I dey, now every time milk take dey expire. Yeah, this country where I dey, so every time our milk no dey reach 2 weeks before e expire. If your children are children when they take milk well, milk, me I not talk, I don't want insults. So our next commenter can say, he say, my people, make una make sure that your children go school. Education is very important in life. Can you all see the symbol of trade? Okay, sit-on of trade. Mona no vessel. Imagine school. Education, they very good though. My pikin must go school finish. Until he tell me, say, mommy, no, I don't want to go school anymore. No problem. But when he's ready, mama is ready to back him up. Yes, so. And our next commenter say, madam, no be for my children, my pikin na my joy, my everything. When your pikin be your joy and your everything, you go ready to spend for am. You ready to do anything to make sure say that your child is okay. I don't know, I don't want talk pass talk when I supposed to talk. I don't want talk wetin I no suppose talk. I no wan talk wetin I no wan talk, wetin I no suppose talk, my people. Okay, this one say, that is very bad. My advice to you, always be good to people, because life never be for everlasting. Love everybody like yourself. Please change character so God will bless you more. Amen. It's too late for this story. I wish both of you are still in good team. You could have not come out to be saying all of this, madam. Thank you. I wish Frank and proud mom still dey together. Proud mom for no come out come dey talk all these many things when she dey talk now, because the relationship no come work out. You can't come out, you can't dey talk wetin you not suppose talk. Now wow. Our next commenter say, all Edo social media presenter, go and work. You all should stop fighting, bringing down your brothers and sisters all because of money. This is complete laziness. Go hide yourself. Stop fooling yourself. No be small. Our last comment for today. Our last comment for today say, he said, he said, come on, get inside and sweep up your shame and disgrace in tears and pains. If small pikin fight for pounded yam, if e no reach in hand, he or she go say, wetin I wan use am take do before, she can say shameless goats. Thank you, my amazing people. We have come to the end of today's video, commenters analyzer video. So my amazing people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to support your girl, somebody's mom, somebody's sugar mommy, somebody side chick. I want to belong. So please guys, support me by subscribing, on your notification bell, in case whenever I drop any video, now receive the video. Please, my amazing people, not fail to share this video. If you can share the video, please help me to share the video. Share the video. Let this video go viral. Let the video go viral. Yes, so my amazing people, God bless you. Please, subscription are free, my amazing people. Try help me to subscribe. I love you all. God bless you from Commenters Analyzer TV. See you on my next video. Bye.